Singapore. Everybody's dreaming to tour, to come, and to experience the beautiful country of this place. Muna tayo dyan, hanap tayo ng uupuan at mag-aano tayo. We're now here in Singapore. We're in Singapore. Rival. Go! Lunok. Sala, isod pa doon. Ayan.
Ganda pati nung ano, ng labasan ng luggage. Tinan mo. May dahon-dahon. Galing.
Ayun, kay Jollibee, oh.
Jollibee baga. Wala naman Jollibee dito.
May Jollibee sa Singapore. Ayan.
May kaganon ko.
Ayan.
May monorail pala, oh. Ang galing, ha? Ang galing! Ang galing, may train.
Okay. Yeah, this is me.
I see a killer for you.
This is me.
Here.
Yeah, I changed $100.
Oh, it's too funny.
But we want to change in another place because somebody told us more gives Singapore dollar if we change our money outside. Thank you. Okay.
Then, isang taxi napakalaki parang bus. Tapos si...
Just only Miko and me here inside. Tapos si... Waiting for our book there in lobby. And
nasa iyo yung wifi. Doon ako
lalabas tayo. Dala natin to. Hi, this is Dragon Sasuri. I'm living in Tokyo. There are lots of ipis. I'm living in Laguna, in Sigaras. There are lots of ipis more. And in Parlor, nagpa-parlor ako, in Santa Cruz, Laguna, there are lots of ipis too. And here in Singapore, I'm staying here in the ipis budget.
Cameraman ng vlogger.
2 years. Paano kayo nakatrabaho ngayon dito? May tarang na recruiter naman?
Wala, ano lang.
Apply lang.
Ma'am? Bigyan namin kayo, ma'am.
Nakakain daw dito si Bill Gates nung nakaraan daw.
Ay, Singapore syempre. Ba't hindi siya napunta ng Japan?
Parang kaunti.
Tissue?
Hindi, yung ano.
Ang lalim nga, oh. Ang taas.
Madya mo dito.
Happy life in Singapore, Changi!
Tayo ka. Ang sarap.
Toink! Toink!
Ilang araw nang iba na yung amoy. Iba na yung ano. Nakaabot pa ng Singapore yung itlog. Makakapinchay na din to. Teka.
chasing dreams under skies so wide. Every step with friends by our side, kites flying high, hearts full of cheer. These are the days we'll hold dear. Oh, how can you not?
Ano yung good morning? Pagkapakayo ko sa mas tayo dito. Asa mo? Ano papakita mo? Kawakan mo. Gagawin na, gagawin. Where?
Bibidyoan ka kita eh. Bumaka yung pagkaya mo naman.
Ano ba kukunin?
Ayun. Para siyang pupay. Ano matawag? Tawa ba? Pupay ba? Dito lang pala makakakain. Hanap tayo ng hanap kakapon.
Singapore food.
Ayan, makakakain. Dinala pa natin yung galing Pinas. Ano yan?
Parang hot cake. And chicken.
Ayan. Ayun, kunin mo daw nun daw yun. Daming ketchup. Puro iba-iba naman. Chili sauce.
Chili, yeah. Ay,
Di ba maanghang yan? Baka maanghang yan.
chili nga eh. So, what's this? Try natin. Potato.
Wedge.
Potato. Meron na pala ketchup.
Ketchup.
Bread. Painitin natin. And then I will go there.
Ha!
Gusto mo ng milk? Ayan, may mga pangalan. Ayan, kape. Water. Coffee. Ayun, ito. Ito. Sige, tingnan mo. Sa gitna ang nilagay ko. Sabing sa gitna, kasi yun ang ginamit. Ano ba nang lalagay mo? Kape? Sabi? O, sige, ka.
Hindi ko natin lalagyan ng...
Ah.
Hindi na rin dito.
Ano yan? Matalino. Inom din akong gatas. Libre naman ang gatas. Excuse me, this is hot?
Room temperature.
Cold?
Room temperature.
Ah, room temperature. Ayun, gusto mong painitin na pa. It's up to you. Kutsi mo, Aryo? Kutsi mo salada, Aryo? Salada. Salada mo tayo ka. Kumain ka madami hanggang alam na yun. Ang hatian.
naman yung sa sandwich. Ito eh.
Tabi.
Ito muna. Toriyasu.
Toriyasu.
Ayoko, yawa ka lang magdala sa akin.
Ito pala, lalagyan ko sana mainit na tubig. Tapos pala sabi.
Hindi pa may
C is for cat, meow 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 meow. D is for dog, bow wow wow. E is for elephant, big and round. F is for frog, hopping around. G is for goose, flying high. A is for apple, up in the sky. B is for bee, buzzing by. Now we know our notes, oh my. C, D, E, F, G, A, B. 7 notes for you and me. Sing along and you will see. Music is as fun as can be. C like a clock, tick tock tick. E like a duck, quack quick quick. E like an egg, white and slick. F like a fish, swim in a flick. G like a goat, up on the hill. A like an ant, small but still. E like a bird, tweeting trill. 7 notes to know at will. C, D, E, F, G, A, B. 7 notes for you and me. Sing along and you will see. Music is as fun as can be. C is for cat, meow 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 meow. D is for dog, bow wow wow. E is for elephant, big and round. F is for frog, hopping around. G is for goose, flying high. A is for apple, up in the sky. B is for bee, buzzing by. Now we know our notes, oh my. C, D, E, F, G, A, B. 7 notes for you and me. Sing along and you will see. Music is as fun as can be. C like a clock, tick tock tick. E like a duck, quack quick quick. E like an egg, white and slick. F like a fish, swim in a flick. G like a goat, up on the hill. A like an ant, small but still. E like a bird, tweeting trill. 7 notes to know at will. C, D, E, F, G, A, B. 7 notes for you and me. Sing along and you will see. Music is as fun as can be. C is for cat, meow 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 meow. D is for dog, bow wow wow. E is for elephant, big and round. F is for frog. G is for goose, flying high. A is for apple, up in the sky. B is for bee, buzzing by. Now we know our notes, oh my. C, D, E, F, G, A, B. 7 notes for you and Music is as fun as can be. C like a clock, tick-tock tick. E like a duck, quack quick quick. E like an egg, white and slick. F like a fish, swim in a flick. G like a goat, up on the hill. A like an ant, small but still. E like a bird, tweeting trill. 7 notes to know at will. C, D, E, F, G, A, B. 7 notes for you and me. Sing along and you will see. Music is as fun as can be. C is for cat, meow 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 meow. D is for dog, bow wow wow. E is for elephant, big and round. F is for frog, hopping around. G is for goose, flying high. A is for apple, up in the sky. B is for bee, buzzing by. Now we know our notes, oh my. C, D, E, F, G, A, B. 7 notes for you and me. Sing along and you will see. Music is as fun as can be. C like a clock, tick-tock tick. E like a duck, quack quick quick. E like an egg, white and slick. F like a fish, swim in a flick. G like a goat, up on the hill. A like an ant, small but still. E like a bird, tweeting trill. 7 notes to know at will. C, D, E, F, G, A, B. 7 notes for you and me. Sing along and you will see. Music is as fun as can be.
minutes. Good sa sama din. Arigatou gozaimasu. Thank you so much. How about the plate? Ano, busog? Hindi na makalaban. Hindi na makalakad. Tapos bibis ulit tayo. Yeah! We're going to Malayo. Sobrang busog. Natatay mo rin.
Ako nga rin eh.
Balik mo, lagay mo ulit doon sa table. Day 2. Day 2. Ibuatan ko kaya isa. Yung isa lang. Sa baba. Hindi na. Eksakto. Kasi siya ano. Good. Dito dinala ko. Di wala kang hawak-hawak.
Hindi naman kita yung Starbucks niya.
Okay lang yun. Kung gusto mo kita, di lagi mong hawak.
Aba, ayoko naman.
We're ready. It's our day 2. Today is August 20. 20. We're going to tour in the city. Magtutoy kami in the city. Yan. It's a day 2. Day 2 of our tour here in Singapore. Singapore. Singa ka. Singa siya. Singapore.
Singaling-aling. Singaling-aling. Sinungaling.
Yan. I'm black and red. And also my shoes is black and red. And Miko is combination of white, black, and beige. Tayong dalawa. Ganda lang sa elevator.
Nagulit ako sa elevator doon.
Tabatchoy. Dapat ganyan biscuit ko yung nakaangat siya.
Dapat magpataba ka lalo para hindi nalandan. Naka-play na ba yan? Magsuka ako.
A little bit late.
It's okay.
Okay. I'm sorry, no video taking.
Okay.
I'm not. Okay, so meaning to say you need to pay double also. Joking. Why you are so serious? Relax, this is not a classroom. Okay, before I go through the itinerary for today, let me share with all of you some of the important things we need to take note here in Singapore. Okay, I hope all of you can understand, because every country got its own rules, alright? Okay, everyone?
Yes.
Okay, everyone?
Yes.
Don't make me talk alone, you know, all of you think I'm crazy. Okay, first one. As you can look around you, you can see Singapore is very clean, am I right?
Yes.
Okay, so do not throw any rubbish on the floor. Okay, if you drop anything on the floor, faster pick it up. Alright, if not, the fine will be $300. Okay, no negotiation, no bargain. It will be handled by the police, alright? Number two, as you also can look around you in Singapore in all our transportation, like that of tourist bus, taxi, private cars, lorries, or whatever moving vehicles you can see on the road right now. You cannot see anybody eating or drinking inside the transport. Am I right?
Yes.
Am I right? Okay, because this is the law over here in Singapore. All transportation, no eating, no drinking. Okay? Because two reasons why. Number one, it's against the law. Number two, it's very dangerous, especially when you eat something in the vehicle. Okay, let me give you an example. You see right now I'm driving, right? Am I right?
Yes.
Okay, imagine right now you're eating something, maybe a candy, okay? If the car in front of me suddenly jam brake, and I also need to jam brake, if you get choked, I will become the murderer.
Yes.
So don't do this to me. As you can see, I'm still very young. Okay, last one. Okay, last one is video taking and recording is not allowed in this vehicle. Okay, if let's say you need to do anything, don't make me talk alone. You know, all of you think I'm crazy. Okay, first one. As you can look around you, you can see Singapore is very clean, am I right?
Yes.
Okay, so do not throw any rubbish on the floor. Okay, if you drop anything on the floor, faster pick it up. Alright, if not, the fine will be $300. Okay, no negotiation, no bargain. It will be handled by the police, alright? Number two, as you also can look around you in Singapore in all our transportation, like that of tourist bus, taxi, private cars, lorries, or whatever moving vehicles you can see on the road right now. You cannot see anybody eating or drinking inside the transport. Am I right? Yes. Am I right? Okay, because this is the law over here in Singapore. All transportation, no eating, no drinking. Okay? Because two reasons why. Number one, it's against the law. Number two, it's very dangerous, especially when you eat something in the vehicle. Okay, let me give you an example. You see right now I'm driving, right? Am I right?
Yes.
Okay, imagine right now you're eating something because there's a Chinatown. There's also an Indian town. There's also a Philippine town. Right?
Philippine town, it's called Lucky Plaza.
Yes, Lucky Plaza. Now you know why? They are famous for gold. G-O-L-D, golds. Indian people love to wear golds, right? That's why you can see, when you see an Indian lady, you can see gold all over her. From the forehead to the nose, nose to the neck, neck to the head, head to the arm, arm to the toes. Am I right? So that's why you always walk past an Indian lady, you can hear a lot of sound, right? A lot of sound.
Puro alahas daw.
You know why? Do you know why Indian people love to wear golds? Do you know why?
Why?
So it's easy for you to find them at night.
Easy to see at
Kasi
night.
nangingintab. Yung
Some of you don't get it.
Shine. Kita kagad madilim na kasi.
Okay, on the left, everybody. You can see the ghosts already.
Ghost?
Can you see now? See the ghosts?
Where?
Okay, from here all the way down to the end, all selling ghosts. These are all real ghosts, not fake ghosts. Singapore, no fake stuff. This is not China.
Marami daw ghost kasi mga Indian sila.
See, some of them are not open yet, still very early.
Kasi sinasabi niyang ghost.
Okay, on the left again, everybody, you will see this very beautiful Indian temple. Don't miss this. If you miss this, I don't know how to help you. On the left, everyone. Can you see now? Can you see?
Yes.
Beautiful, right?
Yes, yes.
Oh, you're not paying attention. Okay, one more thing here in Little India, very famous and also very funny. They have this shopping mall. The name is called Mustafa Shopping Center. And Mustafa Shopping Center is the one and only shopping center in Singapore that open 24 hours. one and only. But the funny thing about Mustafa is this, they got two Mustafa, the old and the new. They are just side by side. Listen, the boss is the same, the price is the same, everything is the same. But guess what? The Indians only go to the old one, nobody go to the new one. Later I will show it to you. On the left, everybody. You see? This is the old Mustafa. So it's open 24 hours.
Store.
You can see a lot of people walking in and out. You can also see a lot of people sitting around. You can also see a lot of cars over here. But later when we go to the new one, you cannot see anything. Nobody there.
Eating biryani.
Puro mga restaurant. Mga Indian.
Ayun nga sinasabi niyang ghost nga daw. Indian.
Yes. We are still at the old one, you see? Okay, ready to see the new one? Okay, on the left, everybody. You see, this is the new one. See? It's open, you know, you see the light is open, but no one come here, right?
Yeah.
Maybe more expensive here.
No.
Same price.
Same price.
You know, I have asked the new one, don't have the smell yet.
Indian smell.
And the smell must be strong. If not, they will complain. They go and say, oh, this is not for me. Come out again.
Maybe the new one is
No onion smell inside.
yung nakabalot sa ulo. Yung mga Bombay. Ay, di. Enjoy yung Bombay. May tawag dun sa ano eh. Yung nakabalot yung ulo. Hindi ko maalala.
Talaga meron sila dito. Yung Indian table.
Yeah.
Puro nga ano yung construction eh.
You see in front of
Ano pa
me?
bang ginagawa?
This is the Muslim street.
Okay.
You see the Muslim street, it actually looks like the Indian street, but the difference is, okay, in the Muslim street, you will see a lot of artworks, ART, okay, because the Muslims, they love art. Can you see all the artwork on the wall in front of me? Can you see?
Alin dun?
Can you see the artworks?
Ang mga nakabalot mo sa ulo.
It's okay, later I will show you two masterpieces, okay? Okay, on the right, everybody, can you see this big white camera? There's one masterpiece here, big white camera, can you see?
There.
Can you see that?
Camera big. Yeah.
Camera big, camera.
Camera action.
Okay, on the right again, you will see this 3D painting. 3D painting.
3D painting. Where?
There,
See on the right again, can you see now?
Yes.
3D painting. Alin dyan yan?
Ayan.
Ah, okay. What's this?
Okay, let's go over to the souvenir shop.
3D painting, marami yan sa school.
Okay, let me talk about souvenirs. Okay, maybe after when I say this, maybe some of you will hate me. Okay, this souvenir shop now we going. Okay, it's not. Let's go over to the souvenir shop. Okay, because Bugis souvenirs are all very Bugis now, and then you buy. Have you all tried new chocolates before? Any one of you?
Yeah, we like it very much.
If you tried new chocolates before, okay, today will be the good opportunity. Yeah, maybe after the first bite, you're going to forget your name.
If you...
Okay, remember what I tell you about the chocolates. Don't buy over here. If you want to buy, you can do that. But if later when we go to the chocolate gallery and you find it's better, you cannot blame me. You cannot complain.
Okay.
Okay, and then for this souvenir shop, right, the good thing about them is if you buy above $100, they will do the tax refund for you. Okay, so today I'm going to give you a timing and y'all will just come back on time, alright? Please do not be late. All these places we are going today are all very famous. They don't let me wait over there. So remember to follow my time, not Philippine time.
Yeah.
I know what is Philippine time, I know. Your 5 minutes is 20 minutes, I know.
Always late.
The way na.
Hindi pala yung susundod eh.
Alam
Hindi si
yung,
Tano.
alam yung Pilipino. Iba na yung driver.
Isa na rin nagtuturo sa atin. Kahapon ang tahimik mo. Bukas.
Bukas kami. Bukas din ako umaga.
Gift shop. Mapapabili na naman tayo niyan. Titingin lang tayo. Just only look. Just only look. I like Elizabeth Arden.
Thank you.
Tax refund. Tax refund number.
Ano text mo?
What is tax refund number?
You don't know what's tax refund? When you buy things and then they will take up the government tax.
Tax refund. No tax refund. No tax.
Ay, tourist tayo.
How much is this? Ito yung nakita ko. Elizabeth Arden.
Yung favorite mong ewan.
This is my favorite. Oh, how much is this?
This one is $78.
$78. In the airport is 105.
So you can buy here. If you spend above 100, we can do refund for you.
$75 Singapore?
78 Singapore.
Oh, not dollar.
Not dollar.
Oh, I like this. Okay.
Ayun pala eh.
But, excuse me, how about if I don't have Singapore dollar? I have a dollar. US
US
dollar.
dollar can be accepted.
Okay, and change me a dollar.
Yeah.
Ayun pala eh.
Ayan.
Philippine money and so can. You can pay.
Philippine money too? Okay. Diyan ipapalit natin yung sukli daw. Pwedeng Philippine sukli. No, I never try yet. Ayan. I bought perfume.
You wanna try?
Hello. Miku. Where are you, Miku? Where are you, Miku? Okay.
Amoy nito.
Singapore to.
Excuse me. When I go to airport, is it okay?
Okay.
No,
This one is
take.
Okay. No.
Okay.
We have the receipt, everything for you.
Okay. We go out and immigration, no?
Yeah.
Okay. Kasi baka kunin sa immigration eh.
Until what time?
30 minutes.
30 minutes? Wow, very long.
Yeah, these are buy 3 get 1 free. Mabalas ka $8. Hindi mo ba type ale? Maganda din.
Pareho sila ng kuya ni Kuya.
Oy, 15 minutes. Mami, 15 minutes.
Ano daw, mga 30 minutes daw tayo. So, another 20 minutes. Another 20 minutes. Kaya nga, nangayo. Huwag daw bibili ng chocolate dito kasi mas maganda daw sa may Chinatown. How much is this?
$6, ma'am.
$10, Miko.
$2.
$2?
$6, you take 2 for 10. You buy 2, $10.
Ah, two pieces, $10.
$10. You can mix it.
So $5 for each.
6.
Ah, 6.
Yes.
One for $6. But if you buy 2, it's $10. Oh yeah, I like this.
Parang ano, yung
You can mix.
Yeah. I like it. Singapore.
Yes.
Only Singapore. Take picture, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, take picture.
cute.
Ah, diba? Marie, Miko. Hindi na maganda pag dapat Singapore. Dapat Singapore talaga, yung may souvenir. Huwag kang bibili ng hindi Singapore, kaya nga Singapore. Singapore only. At saka si Malayon. So, wag mo ilalagay sa ano mo dito. My bag so that we can pay it $10.
$10, ma'am.
One each is 6.
It's $6. 2 for 10.
Dito mo ilagay. Ay, dalawa ba kukunin mo? Ikaw magbabayad. Ikaw magbabayad. Dalawa. Pwede na ang sukle, peso. O, depende sa'yo. Kung gusto mo ang sukle ay Singapore dollar. It depends on you.
Napili pa ako isa ito.
O, yan. Iba-iba yung palawet. Merong ganito, o. Yan, Malayon.
Wala bang Marina Bay?
Bigay ko pa yun. Green.
Kasi yung ganito na lang, bibiling ko. Walang Marina Bay.
7, 10. Aba, makaka 100 ako. 100 Singapore dollar. And here and siya ay yellow. Okay.
Ano yung binili mo?
Bibiligan ko si ate siya, si Jenny, si Bebang, si Muning. Para hindi tayo sisingilan lagi ng mahal. I bought 4.
You want t-shirts?
What?
Singapore t-shirts?
No, because I'm a washing very hard. Kung gusto ko daw ng t-shirt.
Singapore, red and
Gusto mong t-shirt?
red and white.
It depends on you if you want. Hirap kaya maglaba.
Hindi, wala nang laban eh. Dinatanggal yung design niya.
Eh, very big eh. Big size.
Small size.
I-design sa tingin.
Ah, small size. This is large.
Small size.
Ah.
Yeah.
This one
is medium.
$18.
$18. You buy tea, you get one free.
Oh.
Buy tea, get one free.
If you buy big, para na rin damit mo na yan hanggang baba, oh.
Have side or the have side?
I can't guide you. I think. Thinking. Ala, ang dami ko na nabili, Miko. Oh, ayan. Anong, ano? Mick, I will go there, huh? No, I still have bag. Coin bag. Lion. Oh.
Yes, it's beautiful.
In luggage area, there is a counter for this. So you go in.
Miko, there is a big pala yun, oh. Big pa yung dalawa, oh. Tapos meron silang, wala yung 2.
Ayun nga lang, walang 2. Bakit walang 2?
Oh, diba? Why? Ano?
Bago daw, bagong dating, 42.
Mahal naman yung Gosen eh. Kahit ba sa bagong dating eh.
Ganda eh.
Gusto mo, saan mo susuot? Huwag kang pauuto. Ganun talaga yan. Kung anong gusto mo, yun ang kukunin mo. Mahal naman yun eh.
Ay, ika-cancel ko na nga isa.
Ano ba yun?
Sige.
Ano yan?
Pabango.
Ikaw kung anong gusto mo. Huwag na yung pabango na yan. Magkano yung pabango mo?
30 eh.
Eh kung gusto mo pabango, o kaya yun. Depende. Ang mahal niyan. 5,000 na yun.
5,000 ano?
5,000 yen.
Ay,
Huwag kang papauto kung ano sinasabi sa iyo. Pero kung ano yung gusto mo yung sinasabi. Hindi nga, kung gusto mo, depende nga sa iyo. Ha? O di, try. O, pwede mo daw i-try. This is cheap, but No drink inside, right?
Drink outside, yeah. You can drink outside.
Ah,
And you can
outside.
drink now also.
Only one. Ano, sinukat mo? Tingnan mo, $1 drink. Oh, ayan. Sinukat mo? Ah. Parang buntis. Feel mo? Di ba malaki dito?
Sakto lang.
Ayan, uwi mo sa atin pag uwi.
Ay, hindi ba sa unahan?
She can start in here or
Ah, it depends on you. Pwede daw sa unahan.
like this? Or you want to tie in front here also can.
Gusto mo yan? Ikaw?
Hindi, iba yung sa iniisip ko na yung design niya pagka-design kaso.
Ang mahal eh. 5,000 damit lang. Pag ayaw mo, sabi mo, it's okay.
Bagay sa ano dito?
Sa sapatos mo. Bagay sa aking white, Ikaw, depende nga sa'yo. Ikaw magdi-decide, you will decide it by yourself. Is this Singapore dress?
It's okay. This one, this one more popular.
Oh, more popular.
How much? $42.
Sige, ikaw, it's up to you. Lagay mo dyan sa bag mo. Ah, sa kango. Kango ni Irite. 1 for $18. $18. Missing. Same size?
Only free size.
Ah, ayun pala.
Yeah, this one I show her the code is the same, Okay, 82. The design is the same.
Ah, okay.
Because we have a lot of design.
Yeah, this only one.
This one yesterday come only.
Ah,
New one.
Kino, kita ba ka rin dati? Kaya ayan, mapapabili tayo. Ang tagal natin dito. Napapabili tayo.
Hindi na, ito na last time.
Oh, ako wala na, tama na to. Only this. And let's go to pay. Let's go and pay it. Ano, ibalik mo daw. Ano daw? Babalik mo ba yan? Sabihin mo daw. Ikaw na magbalik. Ikaw na magbalik. Lagyan mo doon. Ay, sa taas. Sa kanan. Sorry. Okay? So,
just now you pay me 125, you spend 107, your chain is 18, which I pass you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Because I'm bored in immigration, I bought perfume. When I go back to immigration, they will not get it.
No.
Oh.
Liquid, check in. Because not only below water must be below 100 ml.
How about
aeroplane rule?
how about that water earlier I bought there?
10.
Okay.
Check in, everything no problem.
Okay.
They afraid you take bring home.
Okay.
Ano ba binili mo? Bakit 100?
Perfume. Mura kasi dito. Sa airport, 100 plus na eh.
Okay, your one you can get back $9. Do you want to take the picture? Use your phone and take the picture.
Para daw bumalik yung $9 sa atin.
Anong $9?
Ang bango ni Elizabeth Arden, nakakita rin ako, buti hindi ko binili sa airport. Sabi ko, ang mahal naman ito. $100. 6,000 nga lang yun eh. I like perfume. Thank you so much. In airport, $102. Here, only 7. Oh. Ang bango.
Ano lang.
Happy life! Sasakayan daw niya, wag mag-video.
Mataray.
Ayan, oh.
Alin ba yung sa atin dyan?
Ito. Diyan ka. Oh, wag kang tatawid, diyan ka lang. Wow. Hindi, kasi mayroong sasakyan, kinukunan kita, oh. Kaya nga, ano? May mga sigarilyo pa, oh. Huwag kang tatawid. Naliko na siya doon. Sabi, wala daw kalat. Daming kalat, oh. Hindi, binibidyo ko na. Pwede daw video sa labas. Huwag sa loob ng sasakyan niya. Kasi hindi naman daw siya artista.
Mainit. Ayoko dito.
O sige, doon ka sa loob. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Thank you so much. We've been over there in Singapore gift shop. Very colorful shop name. Maantot ka. Bakit ganyan? Sabi, malinis.
Bakit? Puro basura.
pambili kasi 6,000 lang yun. Yung nasa iyo 4,000, hindi pa babangon. Hindi ko ano pa, hindi mo alam ano amoy mabango ba? Nag-try ka?
Pinaamoy sa akin.
4,000?
38 lang.
Hindi 4,000. May sinasabi siya na ibabalik tayo ng $9. Baka paglabas natin o kaya bago ba lalabas natin.
Tax free kasi yun, kasi tourist tayo.
Naka $9 nga daw na tax free. Come back.
Ganun talaga ate. Tourist eh. Ganun nga rin sa Japan.
Sandali, binalik ba yung passport? Ayun.
Yung Sunday.
Pabalik. Parang isyon.
Babalikan natin yun.
Hindi, makikita naman nila yun.
Tapos na.
Nag-shopping kami. Oh my God.
Pakita mo. Ayun, hindi pa kayo nakalibot ito.
Okay, let's move on to the next one. The world's largest ferry wheel, the Singapore Flyer.
Huwag mo namang gamitin ngayon.
Yeah, muna. Gagamitin ko nga. Kaya nga tayo bumili. Ito mo gagawin sa Pilipinas. Doon tayo sa Ferris wheel.
Wow.
Ayan.
Your dream.
Gusto mo, iwanan ko sa'yo dahil baka kunin naman sa Japan yan. Mukhang yan, mukhang ano.
Mukhang original.
Ang dami.
Halo na yung ano ko.
Iiwanan ko to sa kwarto kasi nga baka kunin sa Japan, sayang naman. Kahit gamitin mo, ikaw naman ang gagamit. Saka lahat ng mga dala ko, pwede mong gamitin kasi okay, ibibigay sa mga kusino na ano. Ang ganda natin dyan, oh.
The second largest ferry wheel in the world is in England. It's called London Eye. London Eye, they're standing at 135 meters tall.
Ferris wheel daw. Largest Ferris wheel in the world.
Kaya pala nasa ano pa lang tayo nun eh.
Largest Ferris wheel in the world.
Oh, ang ganda ng takay niya, Bilog. Bilog. Sabi niya, second. Ano yun, malaki pa kaya yan sa Japan?
300 ano daw eh. Baka kasing taas ng Tokyo Tower yan.
300? Ang Tokyo Tower 333 eh.
Sabi niya, second to the largest Ferris wheel in the world.
Ay, malaki. Parang nga monorail yung ano yung sakay. Oo nga ano. Kasing taas ng kasing taas ng Tokyo Tower. Singapore Flyer. Ayun.
Malaki pa kaya yan sa Japan?
Ay, 300 ano daw eh. Baka kasing taas ng Tokyo Tower yan.
300, ang Tokyo Tower 333.
Ay, para
Sabi niya, second to the largest Ferris wheel in the world.
Ay, malaki nga naman. O, tinan mo naman. Parang nga monorail yung ano eh, sakaya niya. May dadaan na kotse, me.
Nagbibideo naman tayo, makukuha naman yun. Oo, 10 minutes daw.
Silip lang, wala.
Singapore, ang tawag nila, flyer. Hindi, anong tawag dito?
Happy 60th birthday.
Singapore. 60 nga. Kaya sabi ko sa'yo eh.
Kaya sabi ko sa'yo,
60 years.
Meron din pala sa likod dito na mo, oh. Doon tayo.
Yun pala. Wala akong dadaan.
Kain na lang kami.
Paano tayo makukuha? 60 years.
Meron din pala sa likod dito na mo, oh. Doon tayo. Ayun.
Okay. Doon, ayun. Happy 60. Tayo lang ang ano eh. Magala. Yung sila hindi magala. Yaw sila. Basta tayo magala. Kasi SG60 SG Saito Demari.
Screenshot na lang.
Taka ako yun. Oh, may sasakyan ha. Ito Ferris wheel yun.
Ayan. Hindi naman kita yung Ferris wheel nga lang. Madilim. Singapore Flyer. Wiggle, wiggle. Ang Ferris wheel, ayan, oh. Napakataas. Maganda, me. Tingin ka dito. Yan.
Papapachut. Papapachut. 1, 2, 3. Oh, gets. 1, 2, 3. Gets. Wasak.
The beginning.
Ano sa tingin mo?
The beginning.
Hala!
The beginning. Oh. Hindi. May paraan yan. Okay lang yan. Yan. Tapos ito, tininihin. Kaya ako dinalit eh.
Papasok. Huwag ka na magdaan, talon at mabigat bag mo. Yun daw yun. Huwag ka na. 10 minutes na yan.
Ay, ano naman eh, oh. Naayos naman eh, oh. Ayun, ayos. Kaso yung sira, oh. Kita mo naman. Yun lang.
Kita yung video.
Ay, yung ano, yung likod mo.
Huwag ka nang tatalon na.
Hindi na.
Kita ang video.
Kaso yung sira, oh. Kita mo naman.
Oh, stay ka lang dyan. Kita yung video.
Ay, yung ano, yung likod mo.
Huwag ka nang tatalon, ha?
Hindi na. Number 7 yun.
Our bus, tourist bus. O, diba? O, yan.
5-4, hindi pa.
10:40. Okay, 10:40. Please do not be late. Be about 1-2 minutes early. Over there, very famous. A lot of police, a lot of security guard. They don't let me wait over there. All right?
Yes.
Okay. Like what I say, be about 1-2 minutes early. 10:40. If any one of you are late, don't worry. Okay, stay there. Don't go anywhere. Stay there. Tomorrow I'm coming again.
Bukas, kakaunin. Iiwanan doon.
Ano kasi to, city?
Ang layo nga naman.
So, dapat 10:35.
Ayun, si ano yun. Picture na natin.
Ito yung time sa cellphone mo yun.
Marina Bay. 1, 2, 3. Turn. Turn. Galing, kailan kaya makakaswimming yan? Kailan kaya tayo makakaswimming yan? baka naman yung kabila.
Hindi ah.
Sakto sa video.
Gusto ang nakatalon eh.
Kalakado ng mga
Ay, yung ano,
FSK.
mga nisi mo na yung ano, bag.
So, dali.
Ito mo naman yung tatak. Tatak pa nga lang, iba na eh.
Christian Dior. Tama naman.
Yung spelling lang, pero yung tatak.
Modela.
Ayun.
Okay, can you see the Merlion in front of me?
Ah, nasaan?
There.
Picture.
Don't worry about the photos. You will go down and take the photos. You will go down and take the photos.
Ah, okay. Galing, no?
Okay, I say again, I will see all of you back at 10:40. Alright?
10:40, okay.
Okay, for me, very easy, yeah? Okay, I say again, I will see all of you back at 10:40. Alright?
10:40, okay.
Ay, 7 minutes. Sa tabi ng Starbucks. Gusto ko rin na.
Mamaya, bibili tayo.
Starbucks uli.
Mamaya, bibili tayo.
Puro Starbucks na tayo,
15
me.
minutes tayo dyan, tapos 2 minutes sa Starbucks.
O yan, nangangamoy ang Starbucks.
May Starbucks.
Ayan! Wow! Picturean mo na ako dito, eh. Ay,
17 minutes.
Sa tabi ng Starbucks. Gusto ko rin na.
O mamaya, bibili tayo. Mamaya, bibili tayo. 15 minutes tayo dyan, tapos 2 minutes sa Starbucks.
Yan, nangangamoy ang Starbucks.
Amoy Starbucks.
Ayan! Wow! Picturean mo na ako dito, eh.
O, ayan. Video na yan. Magsasawa ka. O, ayan. Magsasawa ka. Ang ganda! Ang ganda! Ako din!
Ang galing!
Ganda!
The view of Singapore.
Ganda! Ako din!
Ay, gusto mo may ano. Ayan! Gandaan mo yung ano, pose. Yan.
Pumunta pa na kayo kay mga... Asa si Malayon?
Malayong malayon. Ay, it's demo de Kirio. Ah, ano yun? Ang galing.
Alin?
Nag-ano, bangka-bangka.
Yakata mo yun.
Oo, may bangka pala doon. Ang galing ah.
Ay, may bangka din doon.
Ah, sige, mamaya picture.
Baka hindi na natin abutin si Starbucks.
Ay, it's demo de Kirio. Oo, may bangka pala doon.
Ayun, may bangka din doon. Ayun. Halika na. Pakote dito. Dito. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Ang ganda, umiko. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Halika kay Mal. Ang init! Ubatin mo na yan. Dito ako sa kaliwa. Para maganda yung view. Ayun, si Malayo. Malayo pa, si Malayo. See the South Marina Bay. Yay! Ang init. Meron tayong tumatay kaya lang. Nakita na natin yung original. Ay, ang ganda.
Yung Ferris wheel. Ayun, nakikita na si nagbubugang malayo. Ano yan?
Nakita na natin yung original.
Yung yung Ferris wheel. Pinunta natin.
O, di ba?
Ayun!
Papa enjoys money. So, we only have the money lion and the band lion. That's right, Papa. Papa enjoys money. Doon tayo doon eh, kay Malayon. That's how you collect money. So either you collect money, collect the oh, dito ka. Ayan, yung mga ka dyan. Sandali. Itatama ko. Go. Ayan na. Diyan ka lang. Ako na ang tatama. Diyan ka lang ha, huwag kang alis. Yan, labas mo dila mo. Busog na, kunyari, busog ka na. Ikaw na magtama.
Yung salamin mo?
Ulit.
Take 2. Yan. Nagmumumug na. Kadiri.
Maganda ba?
Dito na. Yan, sa ulo natin. Patak sa ulo. Ganyan.
Yan.
Malayo, maano?
Yan na lang. Dito yung kadyan. Yan.
Malayo, maano?
Yan na lang. Galing! Itaas mo pa kamay mo. Sige pa. Kunyari, hawak mo yung tubig. Ay, ang ganda. Sige, 5 minutes ka dyan. Para mabusog ka. Busog ka na, oh.
Sandali, layo. Game, game. Galing! Itaas mo pa kamay mo. Sige pa. Kunyari, hawak mo yung tubig. Ay, ang ganda. Sige, 5 minutes ka dyan. Para mabusog ka. Busog ka na, oh. Ayan! 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 Tulo.
Binasa ka na ni Marlayon.
Hindi, init. Ang init.
Ito mo, binasa-basa.
Happy birthday just to you.
Ayan! Okay na. Naligo na. Nasa tuktok. Binubuhusan ka na ng ano.
Bye! We are now here in Malayon. Malayon. Nag-shower kami kay Malayon. Ayan. Nag-shower kaya kami. And pawis na pawis kami dahil sobrang init.
Sinasakay si...
Sobrang init. Grabe, ano?
Isasampo dito dulo.
O, dito kay Marina Bay. Ayan. Bibili kami ng Starbucks. Bye mga konnichiwa people! Let's go Starbucks. Ano bibili mo kay Starbucks? Mainit, malamig?
Malamig na.
Grabe.
Init eh.
Grabe ang init, natulo sa pantalon.
Ganda nung Mosburger.
Asan?
The Mosburger. Kaso hindi tayo sa Starbucks tayo. Ang ganda lang ng ano, ng pantalon.
Matagal tayo sa Starbucks.
Yun sa Starbucks tayo. Ang ganda lang ng ano.
Di ka, baka matagal tayo sa iyong Starbucks. Dito ka, walang makita dyan sa tabi. Ayan, Moss Burger. Moss Burger Girl. Bawal na kasing kumain doon sa sasakyan.
Ay, ano lang, tatabi lang.
Timo, naliligo na ako sa pawis. Wala tayong dalang towel.
Dinala mo yung towel ko saan?
Ah, saan ba si Starbucks?
Andun pa yun. Ano yung bangka pa eh? Doon tayo.
Oo nga. Ayan. Ay, ang ganda. Kunyari, ginaganon mo. Ayan, naka-video eh. Hawak mo dapat. Ayan. Saan ang punta mo? Philippines? Going to Philippines? Uwi ka na ng Philippines? Uwi ka na ng Tokyo? Bye-bye! Go to Tokyo! Go to Tokyo. Bye-bye! Bye-bye! Oh, ano tinda mo, Lolo? Oh. Anong order mo, ma'am?
Menudo.
Nakadikit? Okay. Baka matagalin.
Kung ano, Singapore, ano lang siya.
Hindi, tatanong muna kung nanji kang kakaro. How many minutes? Baka magtagal eh. Labas mo yung basa mo.
Kung malayo lang ang nabili natin.
Tatanong mo muna yung oras. Baka kasi magtagal, pagalitan tayo.
Ikaw ang mag-time.
Naano ako sa oras eh. Mukhang matagal yan eh.
Ay, daddy wag na. Doon na nga lang.
Hello, hi.
Hello, how many minutes can make it? Because we have only 5 minutes. Cannot?
You say 5 minutes only.
Cannot make?
Just one drink.
Yeah, only 5 minutes.
Yeah, what drink would you like to get?
Cappuccino.
Nice cappuccino, huh? Anything else?
Wag na, wag na, wag na. Wala na tayong oras. Moji ka na eh. No more time. Only 5 minutes.
Get it back to you, huh? Okay, wait, 760.
Magkano? How much?
Thank you.
760. So your...
Dalawa, 20 naman. Isa 60.
Tama. 220, di 40. 7. Tsaka tama. So,
Ah, yung ano, yung peso ko lang.
hindi ba matatapong? Nakaayos? Okay.
Halo-haloin na lang natin. Halo-haloin na lang.
Siyempre, aba. Oh, dito daw. Asa na daw?
Sakto.
Sakto. Anton, baka mahulog ka dyan. Basta na lang, tapo ng tapo, kain ng kain. Diba? Ganda. Kaya,
Para kang naligo sa Merlion.
di ba kanina?
Basang-basa yung mukha sa pawis.
Naligo naman talaga kami sa Merlion. Uminom pa kami, uminom. Ayun nga.
Sige.
Tanggalin mo. Tanggalin mo, mga ngamoy.
Okay lang. Ay.
Ayun na nga.
Nagubad na.
Yung labasa at saka yung pawis na sama. Ba't ganyan niya? Pag iniinuman niya, natatapon sa bibig.
Ay hindi, dahan-dahan.
Yung bibili ko sa airport na may straw.
Yun na lang. Dahan-dahan kasi. Tumbler kasi.
Ang maganda lang dyan, hindi nalamig, hindi nainit. Pag mainit, hindi nalamig.
Hindi, bumili ka lang ng straw. Tatanggalin mo yung takip. Nag-Starbucks ka pa ng tumbler.
Oo, at saka minsan, maghihiraman tayo pag kahit bibili ng may aeroplano.
Ang ganda nga naman nung inumin nun.
Doon tayo bibili ng, kaso dapat meron dyan. Ay, sa Chinatown, baka merong malayo. Kasi sa airport ang mahal eh.
Pwede sila
Ay, ang ganda naman talaga ng yung
Starbucks doon.
nagustuhan ko, parang Disneyland.
Baka meron dyan sa Chinatown. Kung katulad rin naman doon. Magkano ba nakita mo?
Alin?
Yung maliit na malayo.
Oo, sa hotel na lang, no?
Mga 10
Okay, here we are. This is Chinatown. Now you can see many Chinese people.
Chinese
puro Chinese naman.
Chinese naman.
Kanina, puro India.
See here in Chinatown, I'm gonna show you all 2 temples, okay?
Okay lang, wala kang interest na yun. Kahit sa Chinatown.
Apatsu.
Babe, unsaan?
Apatsu.
Ha?
Okay na, kaysa kanta pa mga t-shirt.
No, sige, sige.
Ang galing naman, may Chinatown, may Indian town.
Okay, on the right, everybody, you can see this temple. This one is called Tian Kok Tian. This temple, no nails, 0 nails.
Zero nails.
Oh, sugo.
Zero nails, wala daw lumuluhod.
Okay, I'm gonna show you another temple. The next temple I'm gonna show you is called the God of Fortune.
Fortune. Oh, soldier.
Fortune of soldier.
Ano nga yan? May kantang ganun, Fortune.
There's a fortune of soldier.
Soldier. Ano eh? Ay, Chinatown, may French naman. Ano kaya yun?
Chinatown, but there's a lot of America.
May may
Ano yung
Europe.
street niyo? Amoy Street.
Amoy
Street.
Okay, right now you can see in front of me, this is the God of Fortune.
Okay.
Saan?
Alin?
Saan na tayo pumunta nun?
Nasa harapan. Yung dragon.
Saan?
Aray ko. Yung
All the rich Chinese people will stay here. But today, they cannot stay here anymore because our government have changed all into shop houses. So you see the shop owners here, they can only renovate their shop inside, not outside, because all this must be preserved. So next time our children can see.
Oh. May takip naman, paano daw makikita yun?
Okay, this is the old Chinatown actually. Okay, right now we're going over to the new Chinatown and also the chocolate gallery.
Puro ano.
Okay, let me talk about chocolates. Okay, Okay, chocolate gallery is not the same as the chocolate you see in the supermarket or in the chocolate shop. The chocolate shop or in the supermarket, they got all the chocolates like M&M, right? Kit Kat, Cadbury, Snickers, and the chocolate you see in the supermarket or in the chocolate shop. The chocolate shop or in the supermarket, they got all the chocolates like M&M, right? Kit Kat, Cadbury, Snickers, and everything. Okay, those are all very sweet chocolates, right? Okay, but for the chocolate gallery, it's not so sweet. Chocolate gallery is at least down by 50% of sugar. Alright?
50%
of sugar. In the chocolate in the supermarket, normally you see it goes like this. They come from the manufacturer, and then they pass to the wholesale, and then the wholesale will pass down to all the shops. Am I right?
Yeah.
Am I right?
Yeah.
Okay, but for the chocolate gallery, it's not. Okay, chocolate gallery is they go to the gallery. Yeah? So meaning to say all the chocolate is new and fresh chocolate, right? So you know the chocolate in the supermarket or in the chocolate shop, okay, where by the time they pass to everyone, like the wholesale, okay, the distributor and everything, so maybe it reach your hand, maybe it's already 1 year plus or 2 years, right? Okay, but for gallery, it's not, it's all new chocolate. Like what I told you this morning, if you never tried new chocolate before, today will be the game changer. You know why? You don't know? Okay, because dark chocolate is a healthy chocolate, right? Right? Doctors say, if you eat dark chocolate, 3 things will happen to you. Number 1, your brains will move faster. Number 2, it's good for our... Number 2 is important. Dark chocolate is actually good for our heart, right? Because of the cocoa. This is good for the heart. That's why when you tell doctor, you say, no, you got a little bit of heart problem, they will suggest you to take dark chocolate. It's good for the heart. Okay, the third one, I'm not kidding you. Doctors say, if you eat 70% of dark chocolate 5 days a week, you know what will happen to you?
What?
You know what will happen?
Will be intelligent.
Huh?
Will be intelligent.
Somebody say something. Sorry, what?
You will become intelligent. Genius.
No. It's better than that.
Healthy.
Yeah. Okay. What will happen if you eat 70% of dark chocolate 5 days a week is, what will happen to you is, it will make you look younger.
Wow, I will buy it.
If you don't believe me, you can go and Google it, okay?
I will buy it. I want to be looks young.
That's why when you see me, you will understand. Okay, y'all make a guess. How old am I?
40.
40, no.
I don't know.
45, no. 36, no.
50.
100, I kill you.
50.
No, I'm already 49.
Oh.
You see the magic of dark chocolate? Okay, but the trick here is this. Let me show you, okay? When you eat dark chocolate, you must drink a lot of water. You see, I drink about 2 liters of water a day. Because dark chocolate is like a soap, like a detergent for your body. It will wash away all the unhealthy food you eat, like Jollibee, McDonald's, KFC, all the okay, it will wash away everything. So that's why when those people, when they eat dark chocolate and they drink a lot of water, what will happen to them is, a few hours later, you want to go to the toilet. Okay, because it flush out everything. Okay, my second favorite chocolate is also the girl's favorite chocolate. It's also the Korean's favorite chocolate. It's called the white chocolate. Okay, but I'm not talking about the cheap white chocolate. The cheap white chocolate is very sweet, right? Right, but the good quality white chocolate is actually good for our complexion, good for the skin. Alright. Okay, my third favorite chocolate is also my customer's favorite chocolate. Very healthy. It's called the avocado dark chocolate.
Avocado chocolate.
The dark chocolate is covered by the avocado like that. When you open up, you can see the avocado inside. Okay, those are real avocado, not artificial. Real one. You know, many people also like to ask me what chocolate is good to buy and bring back to your country. I suggest you can buy avocado. What chocolate is good to buy and bring back to your country? I suggest you can buy avocado or you can buy Merlion dark chocolate. It comes in a square box like that. Or the Merlion very small. Let me show you my souvenir. You see this one?
Ayun.
It looks like the Merlion you see just now, right?
Ayun.
Okay, they put chocolate inside here. So when you take out, it's the shape of the Merlion. When you finish the chocolate, you can turn over. There's a hole here. You can use it as a coin bank.
Ang galing.
Oh.
I suggest you to buy this one. then every day you can feed Jollibee. 5 years later, it become like the Merlion you see just now. The water come out.
Oh. Maganda sana yung merong malayo na poster ganun.
Okay, this is a chocolate gallery. It's not a chocolate shop. Okay, so this might be once in a lifetime thing, so just enjoy yourself. Oh yeah, they got one more famous chocolate. I think 2 famous chocolate right now, very popular in the world. It's called the Dubai chocolate.
Dubai.
Dubai?
Dubai chocolate are very popular.
Mga kunafa, pistachio.
Okay, the Dubai chocolate over here is the fat one.
Macadamia.
It's not the thin one you see in the supermarket. This one is the fat one.
Na, nakapalit na magkano na.
Global shaksho.
Dates.
With dates.
Sana may ganito sa atin yung mga ganyan turo-turo. Ano?
Wala namang tuka-turo-turo. Yung bahay nga ni Marcos, dun ni Emil ni Marcos nakatiwangwang lang kung ano turo-turo pwede.
Sana may ganito nga sa atin para maganda.
Ayun nga.
Tapos inaayos yung mga tourists kasi nagbibigay ng pera sa Pilipinas. Guyabano Duterte Guyabano.
Guyabano.
Ayan, maliit na ganyan yung malayo nasa terrace natin sa dalawang tabi.
Para namang Dubai chocolate.
Dubai chocolate are very popular now. Okay, the Dubai chocolate over here is the fat one.
Macadamia.
It's not the thin one you see in the supermarket. This one is the fat one.
Na, nakapalit na magkano na.
Global shaksho.
Dates.
With dates.
Sana may ganito sa atin yung mga ganyan turo-turo.
Wala namang tuka-turo-turo. Yung bahay nga ni Marcos, dun ni Emil ni Marcos nakatiwangwang lang kung ano turo lang pwede.
Sana may ganito nga sa atin para maganda.
Ayun nga.
Tapos inaayos yung mga tourists kasi nagbibigay ng pera sa Pilipinas. Guyabano Duterte Guyabano.
Guyabano.
Ayan, maliit na ganyan yung malayo nasa terrace natin sa dalawang tabi.
Para namang ano yan kumaino
Yung parang demonyo sa Japan.
Yung kumaino.
大哥，你前面一点可以吗？还是后面？我要做进去。